Hi everyone, today we will learn about the first subtopic of relation, which is properties of relation. Before we learn about the properties of relation, we must ask him, what is definition of relation? Now let's look at the definition of relation. Relation is relationship between the element of two sets A and B. The notation of the relation is R equals to AB, that A implies to B. After we understand the definition of relation, now we can learn about the properties of relation. Properties of relation contain of the six types properties, which is the first properties is reflexive, next is irreflexive, next is symmetric, antisymmetric, asymmetric, and the last properties is transitive. Now let's learn the first properties, which is the reflexive. What is reflexive? Reflexive is a relation R on a set A is reflex if all element A in a set A must contain an element in the set R. It means every element in the relation set must have all the reflex elements to itself. For example, we have set A contains element 1, 3, 4, 5. Which of the following relation set is reflexive? We have R1 equals to 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. R2 equals to 1, 1, 4, 4, 5, 5. The answer is R1. Why? Because R1 is true because the relation R1 have contained all the element is reflect to itself. R2 is not reflex because the relation R2 do not have 3, 3. Based on definition, in the relation set must contain all the element that reflects to itself. Before we go to the next properties, remember reflex relation must contain all the element that reflect to itself. The second properties is irreflexive. What is irreflexive? Irreflexive is a relation R on a set A is irreflexive if all A is the element of set A. AA cannot be the element in set R.